Hey everybody, it's me, it's Die Hard Cubby. I'm just putting together this video for unboxing of the new router. Thanks to the community to help me be able to get it. I wanted to show it all off to you guys before I installed it here tonight so that we can be using it come tomorrow morning. So give me a second here. I'm going to change the camera view, hand the phone off to my lovely little assistant. And then we will be unboxing. Guys, so here we go. There's the Amazon box. So I'm going to hand the camera off to little Cubby, and I'm going to open her up, and we'll start delving into what's inside this router. You got it?
Yep. This is interesting. I have no clue why. But it's interesting.
Alright. Oh. Ouch! Dropped an open knife.
Oops. Ooh, bubble wrap.
Alright. Keep the camera up here. Alright guys, so we got the new Nighthawk AC 1900 smart Wi-Fi router. Simultaneous streaming to multiple devices. 1 GHz dual core processor.
That looks cool so far. Like on the picture, how it looks, it's really cool.
Alright, so here it is. The new router. Wow. Let's see. There we go. Tape. Alright, so there's the new router. We'll put it together here in a little bit and put it up. And take this old Sagem comm out. Guys, I can't thank you enough again for all your donations. Everybody being there every day, hanging out with me, having some fun. It's been a real honor. It's been a real privilege. You guys are amazing. Let's see, did this it was like that, yep. So guys, thank you again. I can't wait to talk about this in the morning with y'all and get her installed. So guys, you have a great night. We will see you tomorrow morning around 8 o'clock Eastern for some more Lego DC villains. Super DC super villains. And see where we're at in the story now. I'm kind of interested now that we've gotten, I think, through the main part of the story to see what's going on. Or if it's just all free play from here on out. But we'll see you in the morning. Guys, thank you again. Love y'all. Y'all have a great night.